Welcome. I am your EVS teacher Smita Desai. Today we are going to learn clothing. Tell me why clothes are very important? Why it is important? Yes, because clothing protects the human body from extreme weather conditions. Clothing is one of our basic needs. We wear different types of clothes in a different season. So that's why clothes are very important for us. So first we will see summer season. In summer season we prefer to wear cotton clothes. Tell me why we wear cotton clothes in summer season? Yes, because temperature is very high in summer season. So that's why we wear cotton clothes. And cotton clothes absorb the sweat and keep the body cool. So that's why we wear cotton clothes is only in summer season. So khadi is the good example of the cotton clothes. Second one is winter season. In winter season temperature is very low. Cold breeze are very common. So we wear woolen clothes in winter season. For example, sweater, jackets, coats are the example of the woolen clothes. This is the rainy season. In rainy season, temperature is neither very high nor very low. So we prefer to wear synthetic clothes. Synthetic clothes are made with the fibers that are made up of the chemicals. Polyester and the nylon are some of the example of the synthetic clothes. There are two types of the fibers. First is the natural fibers and second is the man-made fibers. First we will see natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers that we get directly from the plants and the animals. For example, cotton, wool and the silk are the example of the natural fibers. We get cotton from the cotton plant, wool from the sheep and silk from the silkworm. All that are example of the natural fibers. Second one is the man-made fibers. Man-made fibers are fibers which are made from the various chemicals. Man-made fibers are also called the synthetic fibers. For example, polyester and the nylon are the example of the man-made fibers. People who help in making our clothes. For example, farmer. A farmer grows the cotton plant. Farmer क्या करता है? Yes, cotton plant grow करता है and that gives us the cotton fiber. The farmer sells the fiber in the market. Second one is the weaver. A weaver weaves the cloth on a loom. वो किसके ऊपर cloth loom के ऊपर वो क्या करता है? Weaves the cloth. So weaver is also very important. Usually it is the hand loom. Third one is the workman in the mills and the factories. Workmen use the machine, okay, or the power looms to make the cloth from the natural or the man-made fibers. There are different clothing in the different places, okay. You might have noticed that your friend living in a Jammu Kashmir wear the one type of clothes and your friends in Rajasthan wear the another type of cloth. Our clothing depend on the different weather condition and different people wear the different types of dresses in the different parts of the country like Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. All types of dresses are different. So different places in a different types of clothes. People in a different parts of the world also wear the different types of clothes. Some dresses are the traditional while other are the formal dresses, formal dresses like Saudi Arabia, China, traditional Indian dresses, formal dresses. All types of dresses are in the world. So there are different parts of the world also wear the different types of clothes. Thank you.